Okay, so we've got a December 2018 19 delivered Kia Cerato Sport in an automatic hatchback, grey metallic in colour, 52,000 kilometres. Got the reverse camera and reverse sensors. Beautiful set of alloy wheels. Vehicle's exterior presents as new. Good value. We've got the front sensors there as well. Driving lights. Good value for money at 21,999. Got the 7-year factory warranty as well. Have a look at the interior. We've got the multi-function steering wheel with Bluetooth, cruise control. There's your dash there, 52,000 Ks. Satellite navigation, reverse camera, dual zone climate air, automatic transmission. Interior seating, just like new. Got the side airbags as well. There's your front passenger. Take a look in the back. Oh yeah, just like brand new. And we'll show you inside the boot. Nice big boot. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.